Today I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut to your OneDrive folder or file right on your desktop. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have super fast access to any file or folder in OneDrive, saving yourself all those extra clicks and digging through folders. Whether you use OneDrive for work, school, or just daily life, this is one of those simple tricks that makes a big difference in your workflow. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's open up File Explorer. On Windows, you can do this by clicking the little folder icon down on your taskbar, or you can just press Windows plus E together on your keyboard. Now, what we're looking for is your OneDrive folder. Usually, you'll find it in the left sidebar under OneDrive. It might even have your name next to it. If you've already synced your OneDrive with your PC, you should see all your cloud files and folders right here, ready to go. If you don't see it, just double-check that you're logged into OneDrive and that you've got it syncing. Once you're inside your OneDrive folder, take a moment to browse to the specific file or folder you want to have quick access to. Maybe it's an important project, some family photos you use often, or shared documents from your team. Find the one you want, here where the shortcut magic happens. Right-click on that file or folder. Now, if you're using Windows 11, you'll probably notice that the right-click context menu looks a little shorter or more streamlined than it used to. No worries, that's just the new Windows style. Click on Show More Options at the bottom. This expands the menu to all the familiar choices. Next, hover your mouse over Send To and you'll see a sub-menu pop out. In that menu, click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Give it a few seconds, especially if your computer's busy. It might take a moment. What you've just done is told Windows to create a shortcut on your desktop that points directly to that OneDrive file or folder. This doesn't move or copy the file. Think of it like putting a shortcut to a favorite book on your coffee table, so it's always within reach, but it still actually lives on your bookshelf. Now, every time you double-click this shortcut on your desktop, Windows will take you straight to your OneDrive content with zero fuss. But maybe you don't want your desktop cluttered with too many shortcuts, understandable. There are other ways for faster access within Windows too. If you prefer, go back and right-click the same file or folder again. This time you can choose Pin to Quick Access. Quick Access is that panel on the left side of File Explorer that always stays handy. Pinning here means your favorite OneDrive folder is just a single click away anytime you open File Explorer. For those who like to keep their start menu organized, you can also select Pin to Start. This puts a tile or shortcut right on your Start menu, so you can launch straight into your OneDrive folder without even opening File Explorer. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've set yourself up for faster, easier access to your OneDrive files, no more digital hide-and-seek. If any part waited a couple seconds or looked a little different on your computer, don't stress. Windows updates can change little details, but these basic steps stay the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps out. If you have any questions or get stuck at any step, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you love learning new productivity tricks like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.